SciScope is a tool by Microsoft Research that facilitates data discovery and retrieval from millions of sensors that monitor the quality of the environment. In this short demonstration, we'll walk through a typical search scenario. SciScope leverages Microsoft Virtual Alert and enhances it with additional interactive map layers. Users can add or remove layers, adjust transparencies, or reorder them just like a desktop mapping application. Clicking on the map brings a short description about the selected geographical feature. Let's browse basins in Upper Mississippi region. We can get more information about areas of interest using other map layers, such as geology, ecology, and aquifers. In order to locate the sensors in this area, we can look for observations within the geographical features we've been browsing, or define our own bounding polygon. We can limit the results also to a certain time frame and topic. First, let's look for data on pathogens. Once we type in a few letters, SciScope recognizes the words and lists suggestions. Data repositories normally classify observations by the laboratory procedure or the sensor that collected them. SciScope contains rich semantic relationships, including linkages with natural phenomena or abstract concepts. This significantly simplifies data discovery. Observation locations matching our search criteria are now displayed on the map. White circles represent clusters of sensors. Numbers indicate how many sensors each cluster contains. As we zoom in, clusters break into smaller clusters, and eventually individual sites become visible as orange pushpins. To the right, SciScope shows a list of search suggestions. By clicking on the orange star next to each item, we can learn more about it, such as the paths of infection and symptoms from authoritative sources, such as Center for Disease Control. We can even access the taxonomy information through ITIS, Integrated Taxonomic Information System. Similarly, if we had searched for a chemical, we would have seen information on toxicology and its industrial uses. Clicking on the pushpin brings a list of available measurements, in addition to the name of the site and the operator. The first list shows all the available observations at this location, while the list below shows the ones that satisfy the search criteria. When an item is added to the cart, SciScope requests the data from the data repository that hosts it and reformats the results so that the user always gets the data in a consistent format. SciScope provides a unified view over data from 9.5 million sensors at 1.7 million locations distributed across 7 different data repositories offering data on physical, chemical, and biological environmental quality parameters.